YouTubers, welcome to Anivetti's Kitchen. So today I'm so excited, but before we go on, have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, let me take a pause and subscribe, because the channel is going on a different whole new level. Have you finished subscribing? Okay, let me tell you. So why I started this channel was to motivate boys, especially, so they grow up to become the men we all want. So they help us cook and encourage our men as well, so that they cook and they don't leave the kitchen to the woman alone. Because come on, the burden shouldn't always be on the woman. If we can all cook, it makes a happy home. And we know the kitchen is the heart of the home. So if we are all there, it makes it lovely. So today, without much ado, I've got an important guest here. So what are we doing today, Kay?
Today we're making Anivetti's homemade gingerbread.
Why did you choose gingerbread?
I chose gingerbread because it's really yummy and I like moulding and decorating.
So boys, join us today. But remember to ask your parents before. And if you like what we are doing, Kwamina is going to be joining us to do a lot more cooking, and you can cook with us. But remember, ask your parents first so they help you subscribe, okay? So these are the ingredients for your soft gingerbread cookie. So we've got 300 grams of plain flour,
100 grams of organic coconut sugar,
115 grams of butter,
half a teaspoon of nutmeg,
and we've got a quarter teaspoon of mixed spice,
1 full egg,
and we've got a quarter teaspoon cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. This is organic ginger, so it will give us that punch, that kick. Let's start baking, guys.
Yeah!
What do we start with, Kay, as we cream?
The organic coconut sugar.
Why do we start with the sugar?
Because if you put the butter in first, it will stick to the bowl.
Okay, so can you pour the sugar in, please? Gently. Well done. All of it. All of it. So, well done. Then what next?
The butter.
Okay. Pour that in. All of it. Maybe we need to push it out a bit. Next.
I'm going to push it down so we can cream it.
Go ahead then. Good. What are we creaming?
We're creaming coconut sugar and delicious butter.
Good. So can you switch it on?
So now there's some stuck on the sides of the bowl. So I'm going to scrape it with the spatula and then mix it again. So all these other ingredients are going to go in. So now goes in the flour. So now goes in the big yellowish egg. Now the ginger. So I've just poured in the nutmeg, so now I'm going to put in the mixed spice and the plop. Plop. We forgot the pink Himalayan salt, so now in it goes. All the ingredients are in. I'm going to push it down and whisk it. But before, we need to add the splash guard, so all this ingredients doesn't splash in my face. So Mummy's going to help me mould all this into a nice gingerbread, then we'll put it in the oven.
And oven has been preheated, so you preheat on 200. We're going to mold it now. We just mold it with our hands to make it simple. And you just squashed it like that. That's it.
So, Mummy and I made some gingerbread man, a reindeer, a ninja.
Which one is the gingerbread man?
This one's the gingerbread man.
Okay.
This is the ninja. These are the reindeers. These are the circles, and I made a little button. So in it goes into the oven.
How long are we going to bake it for?
10 minutes.
Oh, damn.
In it goes.
Well done, Superman. High five. Yeah.
So our gingerbread cookies are done. So we have to let them cool down for 10 minutes.
And yummy, yummy goes in your tummy, isn't it?
Yeah. Our gingerbread cookies are done because they cool down for 10 minutes.
And if you don't like this color, we use brown sugar, coconut, organic coconut sugar. So I didn't add any more color. But if you want it deeper, you can add browning or molasses to it just to increase the color. And our cookies are done. It's soft, it's gooey, it's yummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
You need to try it, people.
Peace to you with cookies.
See how yummy it is. Kay is still eating. So if you want to see us cook more often, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit the notification button so you know first that whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you love all the recipes you've been seeing and you want a private share, or you want to book me up to help you while you're guest, you find the contact details in the description button, and we'll see you next time.
Have some more yummy cookies, everybody.